Any rendering in pencil looks attractive because of the use of light and dark shades. It helps to create volume in any form. We must study carefully what the light does as it travels across the surfaces. Various tonal values can be achieved by 1. Varying the pressure on the pencil, 2. Varying the grade of the pencil, 3. Repetition and overworking. There are two ways of holding the pencil while shading. 1. Writing position, 2. Under palm position. Hello students, today I am going to teach you pencil shading in an apple. So the shading of apple is resembles with the sphere. Let's start first. First we decide the direction of a light. So we assume the light is coming from here. So then we will start making the areas of shading. See, this is the area of an apple which comes first in contact with the light. So this is light. Next, this we can say middle light. Then this area is dark and this is reflected light. And later we will make shadow. So the light part we will shade with HB pencil, middle part we will shade with 2B pencil, then reflected part we will shade with 4B pencil, and the dark part we will make with 6B pencil. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to do the shading in this app. I completed my apple, filled the areas with their respective pencils. This one I filled with HB, the next with 2B, here 4B, and this is with 6B. Now you have to take a small piece of paper and you have to merge your shading. When you are merging, first you have to merge the lighter side and slowly you have to come towards the dark side, and all the strokes of your pencils should get merged. You have to give little pressure to your paper and merge the shading. Okay, so now my merging is over. Once you come towards the dark area, don't go towards the light area because the graphite is in the paper will make your light area dark. So first you merge the light area, then you come towards the dark area. Now you all have seen there is a strokes on the surface of an apple. Have you all seen the fountain? See, in fountain there is a center point and the water is falling all the sides. In the same way we will make the lines by using 6B pencil. You have to mark some strokes just like a fountain. See the directions. Like this you have to make the strokes on the surface of your apple, so your apple will look more realistic. Okay.